What's up guys, I'm 3D printing a GoPro mount for my 3D printer, so let's do it. Alright guys, now the print that I did, it came out quite good. I have to say that the person who came up with design actually did quite a good job of it. The downside being that with this 3D print, the GoPro doesn't necessarily fit too well. Now I did get it in there at one point, but trying to pull the GoPro out, I nearly actually broke the GoPro by ripping the whole front piece off. Now it does come off and clips back in, but I wasn't too happy with that, so I went and reprinted it again, but just upped the size to around 0.1 or I think it was about 10% bigger. Now that is quite a bit, so it meant that there was quite a bit of movement of the GoPro inside the print. But what I've actually done is put a lining of Velcro in there, just the material side, not the actual scratchy loop side. And then now when I push the GoPro in, it actually fits in snug and doesn't fall out, sits in there nicely. The lens goes through that centerpiece, and that way at least when I put the camera up on the 3D printer, I'll actually get the same position every time, which is good. Now previously, just so you guys can see, where I originally had the GoPro was sitting in this plastic panel. So the sheet of Perspex that goes onto the printer, the hole was just the right size to sit the GoPro in. So, which was good and it worked, but it didn't necessarily give the best view of the actual print happening. So what I'm going to be doing with this piece and having the GoPro fitted into that, I've also printed off this little piece here. So we connect that into there, and then I'm going to fix the GoPro mount up here on the top. So the GoPro is always going to be looking down at the print bed, and we'll actually get it on a side angle. Now all I'm going to do is, once I've actually attached this permanently, so this will be attached permanently onto the 3D printer, all I need to do is just pop the GoPro out anytime that I'm finished, and then I can go and download that or charge it or whatever I want to do. Pretty straightforward. The holes on there, I'm going to drill two similar holes here. I'm going to put bolts and washers and nuts on one side, and then between those units I'll just run another bolt and nut set up through there, tighten it all up, and then I'll set it in position and then do the final tightening on this bolt here. And then hopefully it's locked in position. The good thing about the GoPro is that you can actually do a view of the GoPro via your Wi-Fi to see what it's actually going to take a picture of. So I'll set all that up, I'll do a picture of it to make sure I'm happy, tighten everything down, and then it's locked in there. So let's do it.
the red lights, across a million seas, just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that?
Alright, so as you can see, it's now fixed up onto the 3D printer. Now I've opened the GoPro app, and as you can see there, it's directly over the bed. So we're able to, I guess, see the print a bit better now. What I'm going to do is unscrew this one, and I want to try and hopefully get it face down a bit more. So with that like that, that's probably where I want it right there. Is when I'm done, I just pop it out. Can go off and charge or download all the photos off that, and I can also get to the SD card as well from the side, because there's a hole through this side and a hole on the other for audio and also for the Wi-Fi button. And the same thing again, if I want to print, pop it in, push it inside, done, ready to go. So less stuffing around and a good view. So now we've got a fixed GoPro camera for the 3D printer. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Is that width